Hello Krishnendu. Hi Sajid. Hi Shavitri. Hello. Thank you for joining. I hope I'm audible. Today I'm not using any headphone because during meditation it becomes a little challenging to use headphones. Somebody else also joined, I guess. Hi Sunita. Hi. Hi. Hello Devoduti. Hello. So let's just wait for one more minute. Hi Soma. Thank you for joining. I hope I'm audible. My voice is audible, right? Because I'm not using a headphone today. Can anyone confirm? Hi Soma, hi. Can anyone confirm whether my voice is audible or not? Yes, you are. Okay, thank you Sajid. Yes, okay. Thank you Sunita. Okay, let's just wait for one more minute. Yes, I'm audible today. Thank you. You're audible. Thank you Shavitri. Thank you. So let's just wait for one more minute before we start, because once we start, there is no point. I cannot recap. Audio is perfect. Thank you. Hi Saurav. Thank you for joining. Thank you Soma. Thank you for confirming. So we'll start with the meditation. I have to give a brief background before we start. Thank you Devodati for confirming. I think I saw Shrestha also watching, so thank you Shrestha for joining. So Saurav or Shrestha, any one of you, can you please share the link in the group so that those who are not on social platform, they can attend to? Right, I'll just wait for one more minute, I think. Yeah. Yes, one more minute before we start, to see just anybody else joins or not, because if you understand that once I start explaining, I cannot go back to explain the same thing. Just one of you, someone who is also a part of Sanhati, please share the link in the group. There are people who are not on social platforms, so once you share the link, they will be able to attend to. Please do that, and in a minute we will start. Thank you Saurav for sharing. All right. Okay, I think we can start. Thank you Shrestha for sharing too. I think we can start with the process. First of all, a very warm welcome, and on a Saturday night, this will be a good meditation to go go for, go to sleep, or even prepare yourself for the rest of the days in the week. So there are different types of meditation. We all know that meditation, people think that meditation is difficult. I cannot concentrate. There are so many thoughts that keeps on coming in my mind, and I feel it's very difficult. So this one, starting this month, we will come with different types of meditations, and this one that we will do today, it is called, it's an ancient meditation based on sound and vibration. So basically, as you can see right now, there is no electrical equipment that is on except the cell phone right now with me. I am sitting in a place where there is only candles that are all around me, because candles are a beautiful way to recharge the environment, and also positive, the fire is something which can send positive vibes everywhere. It purifies the environment around. I also have something around with me, which is the rose oil. Rose oil helps you to calm down and relieve your stress. So I have two candles on two sides, one with the aroma diffuser with rose oil. The other side I have the regular candle, so that at least my face is visible on the camera. And today we will start with Nadi Shuddha meditation. Now what is Nadi? Nadi is not woman. Nadi is nerves or pulses, as we say that we used to say check your Nadi and all. So these are pulses, and this refers to the nerves. And how do you purify your nerves? Because we all know that every information or blood flow, everything is happening through our nerves. So how do you purify that? So this entire process, you do not need to concentrate at all. It is based on sound and vibration. Now when I say sound and vibration, so let us try and understand that there are three primitive sounds of the universe irrespective of religion. The three primitive sounds are A, U and Ma. So this A, U, Ma, these three are the primitive sounds. And if you go back to religions as well, in Hinduism it is Om, in Christianity it is Amen, in Islam it is Ameen. So whatever name you want to keep it or you want to put it forward to, it is always these words which are very powerful and full of positive energy. These are three primitive sounds of the universe. And science have also proven that if there are only sounds in the universe, will be one, that is A, U and Ma. So if these are primitive sounds of the universe, these sounds are also a part of our genetic system and genetic well-being. So Nadi Shuddha meditation involves 7 times. It's a 21 times sound vibration. So how does it work? I'll give you a brief understanding so that you don't have any question asking me in the middle of the process. So you need to sit in a cross-leg posture, regular cross-leg posture. You do not need to sit with your back straight up like a yogi and all. No, nothing. This is very normal, just a comfortable cross-leg posture. You can have a backrest. You can have a backrest, but you cannot have a headrest. You cannot be sitting like this as if you're watching a Salman Khan movie. No. You can have a backrest because so that your back is comfortable, but your head should be erect. It should not be there should be no rest at the back of your head. Okay. So you sit comfortably, and there will be, and apart from me, I think Shrestha is already aware of this meditation, because this is one meditation that I have taken her through. And this particular meditation, because of its medicinal properties, it has worldwide proven that it has been able to take out people from joint pains, from stress, from anxiety, depression, and a host of other psychological disorders or mood swings or anything. So the entire process is, there will be 21 times chanting. So what is the chanting? 21 times. 7 times we will chant A, but when we say A, it should come from the stomach, as if absolutely from your from the stomach, not from the voice, not like that. When we say A, it should be like that. So the sound is coming from your stomach, and we all know that in our stomach all the nadis or all the pulses or nerves are connected. So when you do like this, so it actually sends the vibration through all the nerves that we have in our body. First is A. 7 times we will do A. Next is U. The U will come, and of course there is one chakra on our stomach. The next is the heart chakra, so it will come from your lungs, U. So 7 times U. And then Ma. So, but we will not say Ma, we will say that sound. Because it's Ameen, so they do not pronounce it as Ma. Sound does not have there is a difference between a letter and a sound. So Ma, we will say and that will come from the throat chakra. So basically this entire process of 21 times, this is actually covering sound, vibration, pulses and chakra. 3 chakra meditation. Once this is done, then we will continue with the process. I would suggest that let's not communicate during the entire meditative process. Once the entire process is over, I can give you 5-10 minutes where you can ask questions, or where you can also tell me how it was the experience. What I would suggest you now is, we will start with the process, and I would like you all to sit in cross-leg posture. Once you are sitting with a cross-leg posture, ensure that you have a backrest but not a headrest. And your hands, it should be like this, open palm gesture. You cannot be like this, then you will not be open to the cosmic energy. So it should be like this, okay? This is a very simple meditative practice which you can do every day. It will not take more than 15 minutes. I'm sure we can find out 15 minutes from our day. So we will do this, and then once you understand it, you can practice it in your daily life. You would see tremendous changes. In fact, I have brought a 45-year-old woman only through this meditation and a few food habit change out of several psychotic medicines. So that's why I can so confidently talk about the benefits of it. So keep your hand like this. Now just follow what I do. 7 times we will chant A coming from the stomach, 7 times U coming from the lungs, 7 times M coming from the throat. But before any meditation, first step is to ground yourself. The grounding process always starts with deep breathing. Okay? I am speaking at the loudest of my volume. Am I not audible? Am I audible now? I'll just come a little close maybe. Am I audible now, Krishnendu? So we will do the process of A, U and M. But before we start with the meditation, the very first step is you need to ground yourself. For grounding, the practice is to deep breathe. But it is a different type of deep breathing. You will inhale through your nose and exhale to your mouth. Tanvi, you actually missed a lot of things. So we are just starting the practice. Maybe you can do the practice and then probably we can answer the question. Otherwise, it is just getting a little delayed. So we will first start with grounding. Okay? We will first start with grounding. Grounding, everybody can, am I audible? Because we are starting the process. Somebody needs to tell me if I'm audible or not. Can anyone tell me if I'm audible? Anyone? I'm not able to understand if I'm audible or not. But I will start the process and then you will not understand, that becomes difficult. Thank you, Indrashish, for joining. I think you will be immensely benefited with this process. Please follow the instructions. And Saurav, am I audible? Saurav, Tanvi, anyone? Am I audible? Okay, Soma says yes, you are. All right, thank you, Sunita, for confirming. Okay, all right. So let us start with the process. The first process is grounding yourself. Yes, I will, thank you, Sunita, for stating that. You're audible loudly, I can't hear. Okay. Thank you, Sumi, for joining. Krishnendu, you can use a headphone. All of you can use headphone. I am not using headphone because you mess up with the process. There are a lot of things around me. All of you can use headphone. I cannot use headphone today. Okay? Because there will be certain music that I will be playing in the process. So I cannot use headphone. So I can hear you clearly. Yes. Rest of the people, please start using headphones and we will start the process. बहुत दूर से आवाज आ रही है, but I am very close. You need to use headphones maybe, those who are not able to hear. I am not sure. I am speaking very loudly. Okay, let us start the process. Okay. So the first thing is grounding yourself. Deep breathe in and breathe out using your mouth. I'll just show you once, then we will do. So it will be like this. Okay, I'll just come close and speak if that is helping each one of you. Okay, so deep breathe in from your nose and breathe out using your mouth. Three times we will do this practice. Hi Arpana, we just started with the process. Please ground yourself. Deep breathe in from your nose and breathe out using your mouth. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out using your mouth. Now that we all are grounded, sit in a comfortable cross-legged posture. Okay, I'm not sure. Let me get the headphone there. All right, give me a minute then. I should not be using a headphone, but if that is what is happening. Am I audible now? Everyone, am I audible now? Krishnendu, please confirm, because you have been saying that you are not able to listen to me. So am I audible now? Because I'm using a headphone. There's nothing more that I can do. I can't stand on the terrace and shout. Am I audible now, everyone? Can we start? Now it's much better? Okay, all right. Okay, so you're not able to hear me, but Arfana, I'm using already a headphone. There's nothing much that I can do. So let us now ground ourselves. I hope we all have grounded ourselves. If not, let us just do once more. Deep breathe in through your nose and breathe out using your mouth. Okay, let us do this 3 times. Breathe in using your nose, deep breathe in. And breathe out using your mouth. Now that we all are grounded, we will start with the Nari Shuddha meditation. Please close your eyes and just follow my lead. Please vocalize the sounds that I am going to vocalize now. Now the oo sound coming from your lungs. Now the ma sound coming from your throat chakra. It will be almost like a humming sound, like a bee. Deep breathe once again through your nose and breathe out using your mouth. Keep your eyes closed. Loosen your body. Now think of anything in your life that is very close to you. Just keep your eyes closed and think of anything that is close to you. Close your eyes and think of anything that is close to you. And keep on thinking about it. Start looking at yourself from within. See, there is a light that is glowing within you. A light that is so pure, and that is the source of your energy. That is the source of healing. That is the source of you connecting to the universe. Now slowly feel your body. Feel every part of your body.
Each one of us has desires, our very own list.
And now, rub both of your palms together. Just rub it like this. Rub it just way we do during winter. Once it is warm enough, put it on your eyes and cover your face. And then slowly remove your hands. And open your eyes very slowly. This completes the Nari Shuddha meditation. So you would see certain immediate changes in your body. Your body has become calm. The peripheral blood flow has become regular. The heartbeat has become regular. Your entire posture has become very calm. This completes your Nari Shuddha meditation. Now you can tell me what was your experience, or if you have any questions before we can finish the live. You can ask me those questions. If you have any questions, by the way. Does anyone have any questions? Or if you don't have questions, you can tell me how did you feel through the entire process. Is my internet lagging, or is 7 times associated with 7 chakras? Yes, plus 21 times is the time that is considered as the, it is considered a holy number, 21. So 777, yes, it is associated with 7 chakras, 7 lives, 7 auras, 7 colors of rainbow. So yes, that's why. Any other questions, anyone? You can also tell me your feedback, because I also need to know how did you feel, what was your immediate feedback about this thing. Because now if you want to do it, it will be yourself, like I will not be guiding you. Yes, of course you can watch this video again and again and again, That will be there in the Facebook page. But in general, how was your experience? It was mesmerizing. I got carried away to a different world. Yeah, I hope the background music was audible, right? The bird and the waves, the different sounds we make, what is their significance? Yes, so I have already answered this before, but I guess you joined a little late, so I'll explain it to you once more. Tanvi, so our entire universe is made up of three basic sounds, which is A, U and Ma. In Hinduism, the sounds combine together to form Om. In Christianity, it forms Amen. In Islam, it forms Amin. So whatever religion of the world you pick up, these three sounds are the primitive sounds, and these are the sounds of the universe. So these sounds are connected to us genetically, and it has a lot of healing power. So that's why it is important we use these three sounds. Yes, the music was very soothing. Thank you, Sajid. I couldn't see any light. I couldn't concentrate in any particular. It was scattering. That is okay. That is the first time you are doing. And next, I would always say, this is one basic ground rule that I follow during meditation. Don't concentrate on the process much. Go with the flow. You know what you need to do. You know you have to chant 7 times A, 7 times U and 7 times Ma. And then sit down, ground yourself, and just pick up anything that comes to your mind which is close to you. Just pick up that and keep on thinking about it. If I tell you don't think about anything, you will be the first person to think about something. So the more you keep on thinking about one particular topic, then your mind starts concentrating on one thing, and slowly it will start meditating. So it is absolutely okay if you cannot do it in the first go, but if you keep on doing it on a regular basis, it is very effective. So Nita, it was actually very soothing. I simply felt like I'm lost in my own being. Yes, that is the power of our Nadi Shuddha meditation. You just feel like you are in a different world altogether. You are basically touching the inner self, which is lost. It usually gets lost in the daily hustle and bustle. So let's see, anybody else have any kind of feedback or any questions? We have 10 people. What about you, Sumi? How did you like this? Candle will be very easy for you because you make candles, so you can just light up one. It is important that what atmosphere you are doing this, that environment is important. You put up all the lights and electricity, no. Do it in a dark place or in a nature, in the lap of nature, or have at least one element out of the 5 elements present. That helps to purify the environment. So I had fire. I also I played the music of water, and there was also music of air. So I used 3 as I used 3 kind of elements. So try to use some kind of a natural element during your meditation. It helps you to calm from inner immediately. Sunita is asking, can it be done any time of the day? Yes, it can be done any time of the day, but it is better if you do it either at night or in the morning. Sumi, the breathing process was difficult for me as I'm suffering from dehydration, but the sounds calm me down. I love the sounds of waves and the bird chirping. Yes. So Sumi, I'm sure once you get well, you will be able to do this as much as possible. And till the time if you can't even do the breathing one, at least do the A-U-Ma, because that will help you to actually recover a lot of ailments. You have what should I say? We have no clue that what these simple things can do magic in our life. So yes, my room was dark, even lit with candles. Yeah, I know you would do that, something like that. So good. That was the nicest environment that you could do. Welcome, Sunita. Any other questions anybody has? I don't know who all are watching. I know Saurav, Krishnendu, Sajid, Sunita, Deboduti, Sumi and Tanvi I can see. I don't know rest of you all. So if you have any question, I will just give 1 more minute. If you have any feedback or any question, you can also write it later on the video, post it on the video, and I would say practice it. This is very effective. It is very easy, first of all, and it is very effective, and it uses the primitive technique and the primitive elements. So it helps you to heal from within, and that's why I wanted to do this particular meditation to start with, so that people who cannot concentrate, they too can be a part of it. Any questions? Anybody? Anyone else has any question? Anyone? No? Are we good then? I think we are then. So thank you everyone for joining. I hope this feeling of peace that you have within you, just that stays with you. You can do it at any time of the day, but whenever you start, do it for a period of at least 21 days to see certain effect. Don't expect miracles to happen overnight. 21 days is what you should give minimum for any meditation to have its impact. So please do this as much as possible. If you just do once in a day, that will be extremely good. Abhinanda Saha, refreshing. Thank you, Abhinanda. And so do this thing on a regular basis. It will not take more than 15 minutes, and every day 15 minutes will help you to recover from within. It has cured lots of ailments, and I hope whatever is within you, whatever suffering you have, whatever problems you have, it helps you to cure. That is fine. That is fine. That is not a problem. You can do it at any point of time. It does not matter. Nothing, absolutely no meditation has been told that you cannot do it at certain time of the month or nothing like that. You can do it any time, because it helps. It will help you with your stomach pain. The cramps on the cramps that we have, it will help you with the stomach pain too. So that will be good. So thank you everyone. Those who missed can watch the recording and practice it at a later time. So thank you, Shruti Di. I can see you now. We have just finished the session. You can go through the recording whenever you want, but trust me, it is very effective. So have a wonderful weekend. Oh, it's my pleasure, Sumi. Thank you for your time as well to joining me live. Thank you very much. So thank you everyone. Have a wonderful weekend ahead, and see you again on Monday with Healing Through Stories with a new topic on loneliness. Till then, stay connected and #Let's Viropana. Take care.